ASVAB assembling objects. Spatial reasoning 2026 2 question types. Connectors and puzzles. Half the questions show two shapes with letter labels. You must select the image where those labels are correctly connected. The other half show shape pieces and ask which assembled figure they make. Each subtest gives you about 9 minutes for 16 questions. Only affects technical jobs, not your AFQT score. Strategy that actually works. 1. For connector questions, trace each label first. 2. Eliminate answers that obviously rotate wrong. 3. Check end points before middle pieces. 4. For puzzle questions, count edges. 5. Look for the unique piece first. 6. Practice with Tangram apps daily. 7. Time yourself, 30 seconds per question. Mental rotation skill. Practice without pencil. AO measures how quickly you can rotate shapes in your head. This is a trainable skill. Studies show 2 weeks of daily practice can improve scores by 10 to 15 points. Use Tetris, jigsaw puzzles, and origami to build the mental rotation muscle. Computer test allows scratch paper, but speed matters more than perfection. Common errors to avoid. Confusing reflection with rotation. Spending too long on first 3 questions. Choosing answer that mirrors the shape. Skipping easy questions to grind hard ones. AO, 16 questions in 9 minutes, practice mental rotation. Speed over perfection. Subscribe to pass first try for more 2026 ASVAB guides.